My name is Jana, and I am so excited you're here. You know, we're gonna play a game with Northie, but she said we needed to make sure we brought our wings, but I don't even have wings. Guess we'll find out.
So today, I've got a whole bunch of feathers here, and feathers actually remind me of a chicken I once knew, and a chicken is a type of bird. And now I know exactly what we can do today. Oh, perfect. Okay, so there are going to be a ton of different birds spinning and spinning and spinning all around us. And then all of a sudden, the spinning's gonna stop, and we are going to have to act out whatever bird it lands on. All right, let's get ready to be some birds. Here we go. We're gonna start spinning in 3, 2, 1, and spin. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Oh boy, getting a little dizzy, and stop. What bird did we get? It's a turkey. Oh, okay, let's be some turkeys. Here we go. We got it. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble. Oh, that's so silly. Are you doing it with me? Okay, here we go. Let's gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Okay, that's enough of being a turkey. It's time to spin again. Here we go. And spin, spin, spin. Keep spinning. Oh, we're almost there. And stop. What bird did we get? It's an ostrich. Do you know what ostriches do? They stick their head into the dirt. Yeah, whenever they get scared, it's just... That's right. Isn't that crazy? It's just... Oh, the ostriches are so goofy. Okay, well, that is a silly animal. All right, let's spin again. Here we go. Spin, 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 spin. Keep spinning. And stop. What bird did we get? What bird is that? It's called a cardinal. A cardinal is a red bird. So let's fly like a beautiful red cardinal. Let's fly, fly. Are you flying? Oh, good job. Fly, 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 fly. Okay, let's do one final bird. Here we go, and start spinning. Let's go. Woohoo! Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. And stop. What bird is this? It's an owl. Okay, I think I know what owls do. They are really still. They've got big eyes, and they go, hoo, hoo, hoo. That's so silly. Are you doing it too? Yeah, let's be owls together. Here we go. Hoo, 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 hoo. Oh, good job! You friends are amazing at being birds.
Who had so much fun? I did, and I hope you did too. And I can't wait until we play another game together. See you later, friends.